You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Hey everybody, Steven with GMP Performance coming to you today from our Lake Norman location. We have a 2020 BMW M8 Grand Coupe Competition package, and this car is a beautiful car. Comes with a lot of neat aero pieces and aero bits, and one of the big things is a front lip. We want to keep that front lip off the ground, keep it from dragging on the curbs or dragging as you're entering a driveway. So we installed a KW Coilover Kit. It's the V4 version, and it has an option for a nose lift. And that nose lift allows us to raise and lower the car about 1.5 inches, hydraulically powered. Really, really nice setup. So we wanted to show it to you guys. Let's take a look. All right, as far as the install on the pump and motor assembly for this KW system, it's a HLS system, stands for hydraulic lift system, and we've mounted that in the back compartment here. Check it out. Okay, so the magic of this system is the fact that it's super hidden. We chose to put the button right here in the ashtray. Really quiet, really easy functionality. So I'm gonna push the button, and then you gotta get really quiet so that you can hear it, because it's not very loud. Watch this. So that's going up, and I'm going to hit the button to take it back down. That's it. It's all done.